Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start new chapter 2.3, connecting the dots. So today we can imagine about the connecting the dots. What is meant by the connecting the dots? Connecting the dots. So connecting the dots, it is a phrase and it is used as a metaphor to tell the explain ability to associate one idea with another associate. So connecting the dots, it is a phrase which is used as a metaphor to tell explain ability to associate one idea with another. So this chapter written by Steve Jobs. He was an American entrepreneur, business manager, inventor and industrial designer. He was the chairman, chief executive officer and co-founder of Apple Inc. He is widely recognized as one of the pioneers of the microcomputer evolution of the 1970s and 1980s. He was one of the pioneers, means, he was the inventor of the microcomputer revolution. Who? Steve Jobs. So today we are going to see connecting the dots. So now see page number 62. Today I want to tell you 3 stories from my life, and that is it. Just 3 stories. The first story is about connecting the dots. This man, he is one of the greatest personalities. Steve Jobs, he wants to tell the stories of his life, and he had 3 stories. So today he is going to tell us about the 3 stories. The first story is about connecting the dots. I dropped out of Reed College after the first 6 months, but then stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months. What is his first story? So, about the connecting the dots. And he was dropped out of Reed College. Means he left the college of Reed College after just 6 months. But what happened? Then he stayed around as a drop-in for another 18 months before I really quit. Actually, he was dropped out of the Reed College, but even then he stayed around as a drop-in, means as a visitor, for 18 months before he was really quit. Looking back, it was one of the best decisions I ever made. I could stop taking the required classes that didn't interest me and begin dropping in the ones that looked interesting. Actually, some classes he didn't have the interest, and that is why he dropped the unliking classes. And also begin dropping in one that looked interesting. And so I did have a dorm room, so I slept on the floor in friends' rooms. I returned cake bottles for the 5 cent deposit to buy food with, and I would walk 7 miles across town every Sunday night to get one good meal a week at the Hare Krishna temple. Actually, he is going to tell us about his first story. That is means, the connecting the dots. And, he did have the hostel room, and that is why he used to sleep to his friends' rooms. And when he returned Coke bottles for the 5 cent deposit to buy food with, and I would walk 7 miles across town every Sunday night to get one good meal a week at the Hare Krishna temple. Actually, he would walk 7 miles across town every Sunday night to get one good meal a week at the Hare Krishna temple. Actually, it might have Sunday, and so once in a week. So he used to go to the Hare Krishna temple, near Hare Krishna temple, because he was getting good meal there. And because of that good meal, he walked 7 miles across the town. I loved it, and much of what I stumbled into by following my curiosity and intuition turned out to be priceless later on. Here is one example. Reed College offered perhaps the best calligraphy institution in the country. Actually, he was a curious man. She was a genius. And what you actually Reed College offered, perhaps the best calligraphy means the beautiful handwriting and instructions in the country. Because I had to take a calligraphy class, I learned about serif and sans serif typefaces, about what makes a great typography great. And so he learned about the classes, about the calligraphy, and he had to take a calligraphy class, and he learned a small line typeface, about what makes a great typography means the art of printing. Typography means art of printing. 10 years later, when we were designing the first Macintosh computer, it all came back to me, and we designed it all into the Mac. If I had never dropped in on that course in college, the Mac would have never had multiple typefaces, or for that matter even the proportionally special fonts. After 10 years later, what happened when they were designing, means the Steve Jobs and his colleagues were designing the first Macintosh computer. They were designed because this Steve Jobs considered as a pioneer, as an inventor of the microcomputer revolution, who is considered Steve Jobs. And when he was designing the first computer, Macintosh computer, so it all came back to me, and we designed it all into the Mac. Mac means Macintosh computer. If I had never dropped in on that course in college, the Mac would have never had multiple typefaces, or for that matter even proportionally special fonts. Actually, if Steve Jobs had never dropped on that course in college, that he would have never had a multiple typefaces. And since Windows just copied Mac, it's likely no personal computer would have them. Of course, it was impossible to connect the dots looking forward, and when I was in college, but it was very clear looking backwards 10 years later. Actually this man, since Windows just copied Mac, it's likely no personal computer would have them. Of course, it was impossible to connect the dots looking forward, means to connect the one idea with another. And when Steve was in college, it was very clear looking backwards 10 years later. You can connect the dots looking forward, means you cannot connect the idea to idea forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in some things, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down, and it has made all the differences in my life. So what is the author says? You cannot connect the dots looking forward, and you can only connect them looking backward. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. Dots means how do you go, how do you lead your life. So automatically the dots will connect to each other, the idea will connect to each other, and you have to trust in something, your gut, your destiny, your life, karma, whatever. Means the approach has never let him down, and it has made all the differences in his life. So that's it for today, and let us continue in the next video. Thank you.